How to make collage on Instagram stories. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now let's get started. Open your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your Instagram account. You will land to the home page. Over here you will find this option of your story. Tap on it. Now tap on this camera icon. With that your camera will open up. Now tap on this drop down. You will get different options. Tap on this option of layout. Tap on the option change grid. Now here you're gonna find different collage options. You can choose any of these. After you choose the collage for your Instagram story, you can click the picture or also you can select the picture from the gallery. If you want to click the picture, you can tap on this icon. In the case you want to select photo from gallery, tap on this icon. With that your gallery will open up. Now you can select the photos. After you select the pictures, you can tap on this icon. And with that collage is ready. So this is how you can easily make a collage on Instagram story. Now you get it. So this was all for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.